Artificial intelligence is now a core driver of modern business. In 2025, it enables online entrepreneurs to streamline operations, reduce costs, scale efficiently, and serve customers at a higher level. AI automation provides a systemized way to run a leaner, smarter, and more responsive business that can adapt to market shifts in real time. Section 1. What is AI automation and why it matters? AI automation refers to the use of artificial intelligence systems to perform business functions with minimal human input. These systems can handle content creation, customer interaction, marketing, analytics, administrative tasks, project management, and customer engagement. When set up properly, AI becomes a silent engine powering growth behind the scenes. Automating with AI enables greater productivity with fewer resources. Tasks that used to take hours or entire teams can now be completed in minutes. This leads to consistent execution of repetitive work, personalized service at scale, faster experimentation, and business scalability without adding significant cost. Section 2. Content creation with AI. Content creation is one of the most obvious and valuable uses of AI in an online business. Tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, and Copy.ai can generate full blog posts, product descriptions, landing page copy, emails, video scripts, and even ad headlines. These tools can also be trained or fine-tuned to match a specific tone of voice and brand identity. This significantly reduces time spent on copywriting while increasing content output. Section 3. AI and customer interaction and support. Platforms such as Intercom AI, Chatbase, and Zendesk AI allow businesses to automate up to 80% of common support requests. Chatbots can greet visitors, handle inquiries, escalate complex cases, and collect information, all while integrating with CRMs or help desk software. This improves response time, reduces human workload, and maintains 24/7 availability without extra staff. Section 4. AI for marketing and advertising. Tools like Writesonic, HubSpot AI, and Salesforce. Einstein can generate email campaigns, build ad variations, suggest audience segments, and even predict which copy is likely to convert best. Marketers can launch and test campaigns at scale with less trial and error, refining their strategies with real-time data feedback. Section 5. AI in visual content and video production. Pictory, Runway ML, Synthesia, and Canva. AI can create videos from blog content, generate branded templates, and build short social clips with AI avatars or real-sounding voices. This enables solopreneurs and small teams to produce high-quality media without relying on agencies or expensive freelancers. Section 6. AI for operations and project management. Tools like Notion AI, Tascade, and Trello AI help plan, document, and track workflows. Notion AI can summarize meetings, create project briefs, generate task lists, and maintain a centralized knowledge base. These capabilities streamline collaboration and ensure nothing slips through the cracks. Section 7. Integrating workflows with automation tools. Zapier and Make.com are foundational tools that enable cross-platform automation. Newer agents like AutoGPT and AgentGPT introduce multi-step adaptive automation. For example, capturing a lead from a form can automatically trigger a CRM update, send a personalized welcome email, post to a Slack channel, and assign a task in your project board, all without human input. Section 8. Full AI workflow example. A full AI-powered business workflow might begin with long-form content created by ChatGPT. That content is formatted in Notion, transformed into video using Synthesia, clipped for social sharing via Runway ML, scheduled using Buffer, followed by email campaigns via ConvertKit, and supported by a Zendesk integrated chatbot. Section 9. Monetizing AI automation. AI automation creates multiple revenue streams. 1. Sell digital products such as ebooks, online courses, and templates. 2. Offer AI-powered content creation or automation services. 3. Launch and run affiliate niche sites that operate with minimal input. 4. Provide consulting or training on AI workflows and implementation. Section 10. Mistakes to avoid when using AI. 1. Over-automation may lead to a loss of personalization and brand tone. 2. Failing to review AI-generated content can result in errors or misinformation. 3. Complex or non-intuitive automations may harm user experience. 4. Legal and ethical boundaries must be respected to avoid copyright or privacy violations. Section 11. Building a scalable AI-driven business. Successful AI automation depends on designing systems that evolve with your business. Document every process. Build prompt libraries. Test workflows regularly. Focus on what drives growth and simplifies operations. Section 12. Sustainable growth through AI scaling doesn't mean removing humans. Combine AI with creative leadership. Automate low-impact tasks and focus your time on strategy, decision-making, and brand building. Track the real impact through revenue growth, customer satisfaction, time saved, and team performance. Section 13. The future of business with AI is a foundational layer of the digital economy. Its intelligent, repeatable capabilities empower businesses of all sizes to operate efficiently and compete globally. Learning to integrate and direct AI is now an essential skill for any entrepreneur or organization. Adapt early. Build intelligently. Automate with intention. Subscribe to AI Finance Mastermind for expert content on AI, finance, and building future-ready businesses. Disclaimer: this video is for informational and educational purposes only. It does not constitute financial, investment, legal, or professional advice. Always do your own research and consult with a licensed professional before making any business or financial decisions. AI Finance Mastermind is not responsible for any actions taken based on the information provided in this video.